Hi, this is Trisha from blogherway.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your video pin templates. These video pin templates were designed using Canva. Canva is a free online graphic design tool that you can use to create graphics for your blog and business. This video will show you how to customize your pin templates. In the description below, there will be a link to my shop where you can purchase these templates for yourself if you haven't done so already. In this document, you will scroll down to access your templates. You can go ahead and click on the template, and then Canva will open up this screen here, which will allow you to click to use the template. One thing I like about Canva is it's really easy to customize a template to meet your needs for your brand as far as colors and fonts go. So if you want to, one of the first steps you're going to do when you open your template is you'll want to change out your brand name here to enter your given brand, and then you can easily change out the font. So click on the font here, and then you can go to the drop down menu here, and then you can select a different font, and then it's an easy way to customize it to your particular branding for your blog and business. And then Canva makes it really easy to change out the colors here as well. So you can click on the element here, and then to access the square behind it, you'll go for a Mac, you'll click on Command and then click, and then it will select that square, and then you can come over to the color here. You can easily pick from the color picker, enter your hex code for your branding color. You can select one of the default colors to easily change out the color of these elements. Okay, and then so like I said, when you first open the template, go ahead and change out your brand name, customize the colors, customize the fonts. And then with this design, what you'll notice is I have created this kind of, it's a white rectangle that sits in front of a picture. So you'll notice that currently I have it locked, so I'll go ahead and unlock it here. And then I'll just move it slightly, and then you can go ahead and add an image. So within Canva, you can search for photos. There are some free photos available, but one of the perks of being a Canva Pro user is you have access to all of Canva's photos. So to use these templates, you do not need to have Canva Pro. All of the elements included in these templates are free Canva elements, and you can use with a free account. But know that if you want that flexibility of being able to use all of Canva's images, you will need to upgrade to a Pro account. So for this tutorial, we'll go ahead and search maybe bank. Let's try this building one, see how that looks. And then when you pick an image, you'll drag that photo, and then you'll bring it. Let me bring this down a little bit further and see if it will accept it. Let's see if this is locked. Okay, so this is locked. Let's unlock that there, and then we'll go ahead and drag it in, and then we'll bring this back up. Okay, and then with this white rectangle, you can easily change the intensity of the color if you want to see the image completely, or bring it up a little bit. I like to include this kind of rectangle, or this light rectangle, because it helps the text in any of the graphics that you have stand out against that image for your background. So it's just kind of a nice little way here. So and then I designed these templates specifically to promote, in this case, an ebook. So you have a post about how to refinance your home. You've created it into a ebook for a kind of an opt-in incentive, trying to get to collect a lead for your blog. And so you've created this ebooks, and then you can just grab a image of your cover, and then you can upload it to Canva, and then you can drag this in what's called a grid, just like we did before with the picture for the background. So that's just kind of an overview of how you can easily customize the template to kind of meet the branding of your specific business and your specific blog posts. And then I do want to show you one thing when it comes to video pins. So Canva doesn't have an easy way to like control how long a given image is. So if you had multiple, say you had multiple pages on here, it's hard to like specify, I want this page to go for 5 seconds and this page to go for 12. And so the hack, or the little trick to be able to control how long you want to control, or how long you want your video to go for a given page here, is you add a video to it. So what you'll notice here, and for all of your templates, it's either going to be in the lower left or the lower right corner, depending on the design. So what you'll notice here is I'll click on it here, and there is actually a video sitting on this design that you can't see, because what you'll notice is the transparency is completely down to 0. I've muted any sound associated with this video. And then over here is, you'll notice the trim icon. So for this given video, it's got 15 seconds, but I trimmed it down to 10 seconds for all of these video pins. And so you have the option, if you want it to run longer on Pinterest, or just want the video to be longer, you can adjust that here as well. So I just wanted to make you aware of this part of the design, of the video pin design, of how to control how long this video will play. And so like you said, like this is a picture of, I think that's a bridge. We won't see it because it is, the transparency is completely down to 0, but it's in the background. That way I have selected my time of my video to be 10 seconds long. And so after you've created, you changed out your branding and different things like that, you'll go ahead and download it. And then it will automatically be the MP4 video, and then you'll click download. Since it's a video, it may take just a little bit of time to download your design. Okay, now I have downloaded my video pin here, and then just to preview it here, you can click on the play button, and then you'll see the video animations that we have made in Canva. Once your graphic is created, you can easily upload it to Pinterest to start promoting your content. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Definitely check out the description below and click on the link to my shop, where you can purchase your own Pinterest video template so you can start creating graphics for your blog and business. Thank you for watching this video. This is Trisha from blogherway.com. See you next time.